Here I've got OUKITEL WP2, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should go to sound and now pick phone ringtone. So here you've got a whole list of ringtones and you just have to mark the one that you like the most. Let me show you, for example, some 3 of them, maybe growl. Make sure that your volume is up. Then and once you pick it, tap on OK, and that's it. As you can see, the ringtone has been changed, so smoothly select the tune that you like the most, mark it, and tap on OK to have it applied. And that would be all. This is how you can change ringtone in your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.